a little dash cam install video today. Pelsee went ahead and they sent me a smart Wi-Fi dash cam. It's like a touch dash, as they say. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and we're gonna install it. We're gonna put it in our T-top. So let's see what it's talking about. So the first box that I'm opening up is the dash camera itself. She looks really small and compact. And I think this is for the rear camera. Instructions and memory chip card. This is gonna be our install pieces that she sticks to. And then we got all of our power cords, everything to connect. And what is this? Oh, just another mounting piece. So let's get it put together. Let's see, it says GPS. So, I don't know, I think it said it had like built-in GPS or something with it. And this is what's going to attach to our windshield. So because my little radio, it doesn't have like the cigarette thing, and this isn't, it's not plugged in my car, so we're just gonna go ahead and use the USB port that's in my radio to power it versus the cigarette lighter. Okay, I got her powered on. I ended up having to plug her into my jump box because I guess my radio wasn't strong enough to turn her on. So she's on. We're gonna go ahead and get her set up. English. This is about the memory card. We got